In this video, we are going to look at the Radial Pro 48V Active Direct Box. This is a piece of audio equipment that allows you to connect an instrument directly to a mixer or audio interface. It's a versatile tool that can be used in a variety of settings, from live performances to studio recordings. I have links to purchase this direct box in the description below. In order to use this direct box, your mixer or interface needs to have phantom power turned on. The direct box has a 1/4-inch input jack to plug your instrument into and an XLR jack to plug into your mixer. The 1/4-inch through jack sends a direct line to an amplifier or monitor. This DI also has a ground lift that can help eliminate ground loop buzzing and a -15 decibel pad. The pad is useful for instruments like an active bass that have a really powerful output signal. The Radial 48V direct box is built like a tank. It has a sturdy metal casing that can withstand the rigors of touring and live performances. It has a foam pad on the bottom to keep it from sliding across a noisy stage. The switches and jacks feel solid and reliable, and the overall build quality is excellent. The most important aspect of any audio equipment is the sound quality, and the Radial 48V direct box sounds fantastic. The signal is clean and transparent with no noticeable coloration or distortion. It's a great choice for acoustic guitars, basses, and keyboards. Overall, I highly recommend the Radial Pro DI 48V direct box. It's a well-built, versatile, and great-sounding piece of audio equipment that can be used in a variety of settings. Whether you're a touring musician, a recording engineer, or just someone who wants to improve the sound of their home recordings, the Radial Active 48V direct box is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this video. I have links to purchase this direct box in the description below. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content.